looking. Hi, cutie.
How do you like this cover? What do you think? Okay. Okay. What about other songs?
Oh god.
You didn't even start singing. How did you know this is Panic at the Disco? Oh, okay, you can have it.
Don't you dare take Peppa's Panic at the Disco away.
What about that? Huh? Okay.
Oh, he's back to normal.
He's back to normal.
He doesn't know yet. Oh.
What do you think of that? How does he know?
Try pulled away
I
again.
told you, he went.
You sound like him, huh? What's wrong? Oh my god! What about this? What do you think of that? Huh?
What?
Huh? Are you good?
I want to see this one song, how he reacts.
He doesn't care.
Doesn't care.
See?
He knows.
Uh,
You
uh.
know? What do you think of that? Aww.
I think we can get.
Mm.